Set tough goals and do not stop until you go there. Bo Jackso. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal a phrasal verb, sneak up. Sneak up. In this class, we are going to discuss the meaning of the phrasal verb sneak up and how can you use this phrasal verb sneak up in your sentence. Let's get into the lesson. See the verb form. The present tense form is sneak up and the past tense for sneak up is snuck up. Snuck up. If you want to use this phrasal verb sneak up in present tense, you should use sneak up. And if you want to use the sneak up for completed action, you have to change the verb form into snuck up. That is, the past tense form of the sneak up is snuck up. Sneak up means to approach someone quietly and surprise that person. If you approach someone quietly in order to surprise that person, it is said to be sneak up. To move towards somebody very quietly so that they do not see or hear you until you reach them. In order to make fun, you move towards somebody. You move towards your close friend very quietly so that they do not see you or hear you until you reach them. This is said to be sneak up. Look at the example sentence for sneak up. Don't sneak up on me like that. Don't sneak up on me like that. It means don't approach me quietly like that. If an event or day sneaks up on you, it arrives before you are ready for it. An event, an incident, or a special day or any day sneaks up on you. It arrives before you are ready for it. To express this, you can use the phrasal verb sneak up. If someone sneaks up on you, they try and approach you without being seen or heard, perhaps to surprise you or do harm you. If someone sneaks up on you without being seen or heard, perhaps to surprise you or to harm you, to attack you, it is said to be sneak up. If something sneaks up on you, it happens or occurs when you are not expecting it. If some incident or some event happens when you are not expecting it, it sneaks up on you. Look at the example sentence. Varun sneaked up on his sister and shouted boo. You would have experienced this scene in your childhood. Your brother or your uncle sneaked up on you in order to make you fear. They sneaked up on you and shouted boo. Here, Varun sneaked up on his sister and shouted boo. What happened after that? His sister would have shouted in fear or screamed in fear. And the last example, we don't want our mother to see us, so we will need to sneak up from the back. Here, they don't want their mother to see them. So, what they will do? They'll walk slowly. They will approach their mother quietly in order to surprise. So, they approach their mother quietly from the back so that she won't see them. So, the phrasal verb sneak up means to approach someone quietly and surprises that person. If an event or a day sneaks up on you, it approaches you unexpectedly. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.